No Heat Car Window Defrosting, the DIY Guide.
Hello, DIYers. Today, we're going to talk about how you can defrost your car windows without relying on heat. This is especially handy if your vehicle's heater is not working properly or if you just want to save on gas. We'll break down several methods that can help you get clear, frost-free windows. Remember, a clear view is essential for safe driving.
Why do car windows frost?
Frost forms on car windows when moisture in the air comes into contact with a cold surface and freezes. This is more likely to occur when the temperature outside drops, especially during those cold winter months.
Using a deicing solution.
The first method is to use a deicing solution. You can buy a commercially prepared one, or make your own at home using just 2 ingredients. DIY deicing solution. To make your own deicing solution, mix 3 parts of vinegar to 1 part of water in a spray bottle. In the morning, before the frost sets in, spray the solution onto your windows. The acidity of the vinegar prevents frost formation. You can also use this mixture to defrost your windows by spraying it on already formed frost and wiping it off.
Using an ice scraper.
Another effective method is to manually remove the frost with an ice scraper. They are specially designed for this purpose and are very effective. Please ensure that you use a proper ice scraper and not any random tool like a credit card or knife, as they can scratch your windows.
Covering your windows.
Prevention is better than cure, right? You can prevent frost from forming on your windows by covering them at night. You can use a purpose-made frost guard or just a regular towel or piece of cardboard. This method works because it stops the cold air from coming into direct contact with your windows. That wraps up our No Heat Car Window Defrosting Guide. Remember to always prioritize safety over convenience. Never drive with frosty windows that block your view. Try these methods and let us know how they worked out for you. Stay frost-free and safe on the road.